Listen, I don't want any shit about this gas meter. We made the call, and they said it stays. Let's go do a generator. Dry Fit King. So what we got going on here is you got 1 inch going into the house, you got 3/4 coming out of the meter, and 1 inch going over to the generator. We're gonna blow it up because gas works off of volume, and we're gonna do 1.25 inches and feed the house 1 inch and the generator in 1 inch. Let's get to work. I use Teflon tape on gas. I just hold it back 1 thread. I know you can't do it in New York, but luckily I'm in Massachusetts, which is totally legal. Get the old fixtures back up and running. House side gets a soap test. I'm not one to do commercials on this page, unless it's for Vega. I'll do a commercial if I use her every day, but these people reached out. Ooh, that's hot. They got a lunchbox. They wanted to give me a shot with it. And so far, I'm gonna say it's pretty damn good. It's a Lunchies, cordless, and it heats your food up while you're working. You set a timer, it starts cooking at that exact moment, and by the time you're ready for lunch, thing's smoking hot. Let's see what's going on, just like your sister. Oh yeah. It's gonna be mint, instead of bringing a microwave around. Maybe I should play with the timer a little bit. She's fucking too hot to eat. Still getting used to talking to my phone in front of people or inside the yard, but there it is, final product. We got the 3-pound test on the generator side. We use black iron in the state outside, and after the inspection, we paint it gray. For everybody wondering why I'm not using galvanized, you better question your license and ask yourself, are you a handyman or not? Now that it's done, it's time to go and put the permit in. Let's go.